Good afternoon, everybody. I know say it's 2021. I know say na my first video this, and I did one with pleasure because I be really don't say sometimes certain things and they I for just say, you know what, ignore.com and just move. We move. But I'm happy that alhamdulillah 2021 don't start with peace and harmony, and this is the year of peace. This is the year of focusing on agriculture. This is the year focusing on gender equality, and this is the year focusing on promoting tourism for our country, Sierra Leone. I want to say thank you to all my many fans then, to all my many love people that will like me, to people that will not critique me, because when you do, it make me a better person, and it make I able to work more and do more for Mama Salon. I want to say thank you to everybody. Today, I just get quick thing that where I just want address. I want address my big brother, Chernoba. Now I want address today. I want address him because certain thing that they are good for let you educate some people that we believe say they so land, but they also very empty in all that they do. So I want to address them today. It don't take me almost 3 years. I just say I know they address them, I know they talk about them. But then when it begin for make up stories where they are so not true, you know, me know they send person for can deal with me issues them more. Until now serving me now, me I they deal with me issues them by myself. Now I wake up this morning, alhamdulillah rabbil alamin, and I see Chernoba don't go busy with Fatima Marabiu, or Office of the First Lady. I truly appreciate what Chernoba do or what he write. I appreciate him. So I just want for re-educate him again, so that he will understand, say, when we say we do investigative journalism, we for do investigative journalism with fact and not fiction, and no malice, and nothing not for the beyond the reason why. Now you come up with this elaborative story about the Office of the First Lady. When I read all of the nonsense where I read, at first I just say, you know what, it's a garbage, just put them in a bin and go. But because I don't get so many people where they concerned about it and they ask too many questions, I thought, okay, now I come address you small. Because sometimes, unless you re-educate an educated fool, you're not going to able to forget things them right. The Office of the First Lady, Cherno, just in case if you don't know, it is under the Office of the President. And when they put something about me, Fatima, or something that concerns me as the First Lady right now, put them with comparison to other First Lady. Don't have a one-sided story. Not make one-side story. Like where you don't put so how Fatima do from 2018. You for put how Sia Kuruma do for the last 11 years. And then put what Patricia Kaba do before then. Then that is when I know say you get your facts them right. Now the Office of the First Lady, just in case if you don't know, not a President Bio creator. The Office of the First Lady don't day before now. So it not create office for the First Lady. It was there because the First Lady exists. Now, if the First Lady exists, now one thing, and if the First Lady do work is another thing. You can get a First Lady where exist but no they work. And you can get a First Lady where exist and they work tirelessly. Then I they work. Just in case if you don't know, Channel, I they work like a slave. You know why? Because I believe in Sierra Leone and I believe, say, yes, this country, hey, you leka, you no leka, me Fatima, Musa Sidona Yasu, pass mother be your go. I know they move north side, and I day ya, then you face. I'm in your face for as long as you take. When you go put something about office of the first lady, now what let you show me one thing where they show say, me Fatima mother bio, I don't take one penny from the state money and put them into my private account. Until you show me when I steal money and put into my private account, then I know say, sir, you are talking rubbish and you are writing rubbish. 11 years of APC in this country. What I know about you is this. You did everything. You blackmail APC. You do all kinds of things until at the tail end of APC, when you know say they're not going to give you a job, that is when you begin for attack them. Because you don't know say you don't fail and you will not have a job through them. You begin for attack them. You always believe say you are the best and the better. The same President Bio become president of this country 2018. Cherno, make I remind you. You go inside you motoka. You drive fala we go na bo. You go for go meet President Bio. Then you go through Guinea for go America. You go for go meet President Bio. What you go sell? You go sell yourself. And you go tell President Bio you want job for him. You want make it give you a job. Because now you no more fit for day around President Bio. Now you no more fit for advise President Bio. You go there and talk so much rubbish about yourself. And you left and go Guinea. I hope so you remember that in Abo. You go Guinea. And then, oh, surprise, surprise, we go to the UN. What happened, Chernobyl? Now you gather back the full community then. You come with you press singing for President Bio. You come to the UN. You come between at the hotel. Which you so-called, I don't know how many of them you bring up. Una come na hotel to we. You come pledge you love and loyalty for President Bio. For what? Because you wanted him to make you this, a spokesperson. I was there. Not to me make President Bio no give you job. Now your self-centeredness make President Bio no give you job. So no attack me to get President Bio because you'll be wasting your time. Until you show me, Fatima, was I me take money from this country, I take them and put on a personal account. Then I know say yes, your investigative journalism, it depend work. Until you show me when you write say Fatima use ABC, the office of the first lady, it don't deny before I born, before I come. It don't deny. Not to me create them, I meet them. And the office of the first lady, like I say, anybody will hold the position. If you don't work, you know they work for yourself. You don't work for the state. And if you don't work for the state pay the bill. They know they pay me, Fatima, as a person. They know they pay me salary. But until you come write you rubbish now, let me enlighten you a little bit so that next time you know go make a fool of yourself. One, when you want to write about what Fatima do, go within the sub-region of Africa and check other first ladies then. Every first lady start with Nigeria. Nigeria first lady in budget now $12 million in budget. I don't know if you hear me, if you hear me fine. In budget now $12 million, Nigeria first lady. Now come now every other country within the sub-region. Every first lady gets in personal budget. Personal. I don't know if you understand that word today. Personal budget. Then get her. Close home here to Liberia. In budget now almost $2 million per year. 2 million. Now what is Fatima Mother Bio in budget? I believe say you go answer. So when you did write you rubbish, now for also say, this Fatima here is really under all odds with everything, she still work. Me without that budget, the money where you they talk about, where you they say I eat in 6 months, Mister, I not touch him. Me hand not touch him. Everybody in this country knows say I launched the Hands of Our Girl campaign. And everybody in this country knows say I do waiting no other first lady not able for do in this country. And that is bringing another first lady into this country. I not bring one, but but bring 6 other first ladies within the sub-region. Bring 2 foreign ministry within the sub-region. Bring the deputy head of ECOWAS, and bring the deputy head of the AU in the whole of Africa, inside Sierra Leone, for come launch the Hands of Our Girl campaign. Now, would you feel say go pay the bill? When you want for let the world know who you are, when you want for let the world know what your country stand for, when you want for let the world know, say yes, you young government and the country where you dey under, the president where you dey under, that president he believe in gender equality. You have to do something for make the world know. So yes, I use that money towards that, because all them people and they were them for coming to this country, now somebody get for foot them bill. Anytime another first lady invites me for Ghana in country, now in they buy me tickets. Now in they buy me PA in ticket, he buy me security then ticket, he buy me media people then ticket, now then can buy them ticket. So when then they come to me, the same thing applies. I buy them ticket. And when they come, now me they host them, now me call them in my country, I get for pay them hotel bill. So just in case, if you don't know, now that one day, I had over 32 guests within the sub-region we come for the Hands of Our Girls campaign. We come for lunch and for me. And they all be supposed for fly can Sierra Leone. They know they waka. Not to say that they just come out in the room, they waka go, they reach na Sierra Leone. Now plane get for bring them come. So I have to pay their airfare. And when you come up and down one day, when they reach na your country, now you get for feed them. Now you get for put them in a hotel. Who that they do that one day? Who say if it's a the puller? Now the state get for pay for them, because the president say we get for do whatever it take for make sure say the equality that Sierra Leone deserves, Sierra Leone gets. And if I use my platform as the first lady, I use it wisely to bring the attention to the world. I bring Sierra Leone and the world in attention. Now, I don't bring Sierra Leone. From the United Nations, everybody in the United Nations knows Sierra Leone today, and they know Hands of Our Girl. So if we not be spend that money day, tell me, Mr. Chernoba, you that know everything, tell me how they will know what will they do in this country. Today, Sierra Leone is one of the best countries where the world they make us an example today. You know why? Because we are transparent, and because we come out and let the world know, say, this government is a different kind of government. And the reason why the president empowered the first lady, just because you don't know, but Mr. Ba, now because we president believe in equality, gender equality. He not believe say in where for day na kitchen go sit on day, where in where to get so much that he can offer to this country. At my age, I not one day tell you say me na pensioner. I not one day tell you say I don't retire. And that is the reason why I will use my energy, my time, my everything. As long as the government will pay them people the way supposed for pay, I will work. If you get a problem with that, please do continue for right. Now you they talk about my bank balance. You know why I am so pleased you bring up my bank balance where I'm happy? My bank balance, yes. That money day, na in government be put na account, because them they believe say 2020 I go do more campaign, I go do more things then. So when we not use them, me not to that kind of person day. You self no say if not to this regime will they pass. So if na be their last regime day, that money day before the year they round, then go don't pull and come out na the account, then don't find solution for them. But I not do that one day. Money where I no use for the intended purpose where they gear for, nobody know the touch am. Mr. Ba, now that make that money there. So if you say foreign office, then budget this, then budget that, maybe foreign office they use their own budget, because they be supposed for use them. Now make them call the foreign office. Then get bakut in the way they do. What in your office they do is called advocacy. My office is to promote and advocate for issues. If I no need for use the money, I know the touch am. So this year back, any money where they put there, in the day, until I get used for the money, I will not touch it. So please be ready for next year back, because I dey pray let Corona done, so that I will able to get more activities there and do more things then for let the world continue for no say Sierra Leone is a different place. We are now one of the countries then where they all the time then they reference, not in a bad way, but in a very positive light. Now only people like you will not really want good for your country. Now you no more feel say you go. If you say if you target me, they get to mother bill. Hey. Now you tell me don't waste because mother bill, it know they listen safe. What in there between me and mother bill? That one day it is sealed and settled. Nobody, not you, not anyone, will they waste you 10. If you feel say let me attack Fatima, then mother bill they upset. Hey, now they tell they sleep with peace. You know why? Because it knows say it they do what is right for this country. It knows say it they do what is right. Maybe you know they pass here. You know why you know they see him? Because you desperately want job from him, it not give you. And it not they give you job not because you blackmail him or you blackmail Fatima. You go only deserve that job if you deserve for get them. People that will deserve jobs, then they get them. You your kind not deserve them in this country. Yeah. So it better whosa you dey continue for the right you trash them and make let other people then the one that way I do like you make them go to circulate them and go to talk about them. I know the thief. Now me sit down here at talk say for anybody who wish this country are bad, let God halakia. And for anybody who take from this country and use her otherwise, may God halakia. And I still stand by that one day. So me not they waste me 10 for begin they can argue with you because I know say as I done this you go begin you. This one way you go begin and you one it is on you. Now you one you go do it yourself. Until the only time when me they answer you again, Mr. Ba. Now the term where you go put when Sia Kuruma was the first lady in this country, put in bank account na do, and then identify the money where they put inside the office of the first lady. Then what it is used for. If you're not able to identify that one day, you will waste your time because you will talk and talk and talk and I will answer you again. Now the other thing also, make a bring to your attention. The office of the first lady, yes, it not there na the constitution as the office of the first lady, but does it mean the first lady does not exist? It exists, yeah. The other first lady there, even though they mean they take money, where me know, then take them mean they take money, say that they pay rent. Then they pay rent for office where they not use, they not get. The office na lodge na they be there. But yet still they mean they take money. I just make you a head start for waiting I know. Yet still they mean they take money, say that they pay rent. $120,000. Now in them they claim say na the rent in money. They not be they pay no rent. Now outside the money go. You not go ask that question there. Now me the car ask where you already know analyze who say money where they put na first lady account who say go. Me not a signatory to that account. So make I tell you, I let you talk till you tire. Now waste your time because me no say no amount of money no they come out na that account day if it is not going to the intended cause, which is in the promotion of gender issues and promoting the girls' issues in this country. So write as much as you want. Go back to the sub-region and ask the other first ladies there. Start with Senegal, them first lady in budget, 2.5 million. Come to Liberia, 2 million. Go to Nigeria, 12 million. Now, where you the right? Now that one day they call say investigative journalism. Because you don't compare other first ladies then to me. But you write about Fatima no more. You go take you bogus papers, then put them on social media. Now you say you are doing investigative journalism. But then you not write about me, immediate predecessor. We just come out. Where I believe say if you be they do investigative journalism, you go get the fact. Not only force open the office of the first lady account, Amita. Not only opener. Yeah? It be not they exist. So when you they lie with finesse, not lie with black lie. Not only opener. Office of the first lady, the only thing what I do new is I have an office. A building called Office of the First Lady. Now that give you other information. For 2 years, my office where I been in a Spur Road, now me they pay. Not to government they pay for me. Now me pay for me rent. And when I know say it is not sustainable, now I make the side what they now. Now me money owes. Now me get her. Just in case that remind you, this now the owes 2018. the day of the election, where them before, where first round, where them before come, begin for count. The same way the soldier man and the policeman and can surround Mother Bill. Na that building, they na that day, na me office. Me man in oath, we make a million legal oath. I not go back, go lie to government, say I need money for pay rent. No, I not do that one day. Now check in your list when you they talk. Any penny where states they say, I use money for buy clothes for myself, I use money for buy motorcar for myself, I use money for transfer, move her from me that account to a private account. I use money for buy air tickets for me picking them, or pay me picking in hospital bill, or take care of me picking them. When you get them thing in the now come back to me and tell me say Fatima don't spend government money in a way where you're not supposed to spend them. But if you say the money was spent in the campaign of Hands of a Girl, the biggest campaign where Africa don't ever see, the biggest campaign where the world resonates with, from the United Nations to the African Union to ECOWAS to WHO, China, Japan, every country, when they talk about Hands of Our Girls. My dear, if you're not proud of what your country has achieved, or if you're not proud, say, you get a first lady where go out and do this kind of campaign that the whole world is talking about it, you feel say the president where he win the compact, he just win the compact out of anything. No, he win the compact because all of this they assess. They assess the treat with women, they will begin them. They assess the fight against corruption. Then they assess all of this. And not to say Mother be not not get use consultant, pay person, now the whole world put a criteria together and then put Sierra Leone and then think gender issues correct, children correct, corruption correct. You know what I mean, eh? Then correct and all. Now so by 2020, 2 years, Mother Bio gets the compact and eligible to compact. My dear, able 350 million and above for a compact. With the 2 million where they claim say the first lady spend, which one better? You know better law we use that 2 million there, we do as much as we can so we can get 300-400 million where we don't get. I not use money for me personal use, yeah sir. I not buy shoes, I not buy clothes, I not buy wig, I not buy lipstick, I not buy makeup, I not buy nothing. Not for me, not for me picking, not for me man. It was spent on a government project, just in case. And I know you know, but I believe say your hatred for Fatima. You don't talk about me size. I fat because yes, like how you say, the government's money, I don't eat and say I don't fat, but you don't have anywhere to prove it because you don't get no say. When you go talk say, now this Fatima don't thief today, he move from here to there. No, I am not a signatory to that account. That account, it is managed by the government of Sierra Leone. There is no way me, Fatima, I able to take 1 penny in that account. So now I make I'm not afraid for address you. So when you talk facts, not talk fake. Not to me open account. Government of Sierra Leone they open the account. And that account today, any money will go inside, it will only come out for pay. You they talk about paying furnitures for my office. Now also I want them people I can sit on the ground. I know they can work for myself. I don't work for government of Sierra Leone even though they know they pay me. So I use the money for buy table, I buy chair, I buy computer, I buy air condition, and buy chairs then for guests they also then they sit down. So that when they come to the office of the first lady. Let them not smell food in office because in office they're next to the kitchen. No. I give people them an option and change the idea of how you see your first lady. A first lady for be somebody where they serve, not to somebody where just they serve when it pleases. No. I they work Monday to Monday. I not get day off. Monday to Monday. For what? I do it with pleasure, not for the money. So please, sir, when you want write, go write again. But the next time when you write, I hope say you will come with the facts then, and then you will also bring other first ladies their own budget and compare them to my own budget, and you also bring the previous first lady in your budget and compare them to my budget. I believe say when you don't do that one day, You said you go to clap for me and say yes. You know what? She work and work for this nation, because that's all I do. I want to say thank you so much to una all way to watch. And for una we get concerned, I beg una no worry about Cherno. ACC day. If the ACC no say me, Fatima, I have access to government fund, Fatima as a person, then go come. And now they right for can see me. But till then, Cherno, go get you facts then right. Because you know what? We get a whole lot of gullible people the way you lies them will just traumatize them and will just add, stress for them. If you cannot solve this country in problem, don't add stress for our people. Because Sierra Leone, we are moving, whether you like it or not, whether you are the spokesperson or non-spokesperson for Mother Bio, nothing is going to change. We are going to continue our job. We will continue what we do, and we will transform this country. And I believe, say, you get for left America one day, you can't sit down a salon big, and all the way you go to enjoy. You go say, now that president who not be come up behind wife, who have been feel saying and wife are for destroy. Now him do all this when me and me picking and enjoy today. So until then, enjoy Sierra Leone, because this country here, we are moving. You stay in Corona America, yeah? We there, we are free. Hey, Corona, now we then they use as model, now Corona. The capital, the what is problem in America right now, we don't make them, don't lock down the whole of Washington DC. Now Sierra Leone they use as a model for say, if only America can do what they did in Sierra Leone. I said, my brother, the United Nations Deputy Secretary flew into this country, and you know what? She said, I want to see the First Lady of Sierra Leone. And when she saw me, one thing he asked me, your voice is a powerhouse in Africa, and I want you to use it for peace. And now that's not the reason why, you see, I have been silenced. Not silenced because I want to be silenced. I have been silenced so that I can use my voice for better things, not to argue with people like you. But today, when you want to put teeth in my head, I need for can clear the air, because I'm not a thief. I not fever oneself. If I not give, I know the take. And if I not give Sierra Leone, I know the take from Sierra Leone. So go find you thief, because you've been getting under your foot from 11 years and you said nothing. We are here. If you get problem, 2023 no vote. Me no say you don't want to vote anyway. The party where you been there, now that party day, Mother be no win set. Mother be no sit, don't set 9 seats. You don't can begin ask for being spokesperson. That day they show say you're not traitor. Support your party till the end. That is what they call say patriotism. Stick with what you have. Me na SLPP. I did it. You get problem, you want come, I will give you party card. Where you come, where you don't get party card, we check you fine. That's the if you want for be spokesperson, because spokesperson now possible they near me man every day. Possible they did. You know they just go take Krishna Street. You can't call a spokesperson. No. I beg you, sir. No vex. If me na you tormentor, no vex so. Go back na central bank where they give information. Make them give you more, yeah? Because they're not doing it. Then just begin to give. But when they give you, let them give you with facts and ask them, say, when Fatima don't ever come na this bank, or don't call anybody na this bank, or don't want to ask anybody na this Sierra Leone, call Rokel Commercial Bank and the Bank of Sierra Leone. Go to them, ask them, say, if me and them one day don't get money exchange, go ask them. And they see them with confidence, because I know say it know one day happen. So I'm not afraid. The money when you say I use, my brother, it was used for the intended purposes. Campaign, campaign, campaign. And we are flying, because the hands of our girl, with all them things the whole now don't they talk. Now where Fatima don't come. Now they know say advocacy, it's reality in this country. So please chill, yeah. Have a nice 2021 just in case. And I pray you don't have corona, so that you go campaign and can enjoy Sierra Leone with peace and harmony, and see how Mother Bio they transform this country. May God bless you, and bless you, picking them, bless all your family, because until you are blessed, you know who can this country, yeah, for they can help we change. But then you can look and fix Sierra Leone. You say the whole world they say Sierra Leone is the best, and then you Sierra Leone, you busy they say I am after the First Lady. Now you tell me the way to. Let's FM work. You book code they no go sell. The one the way they write on social media, no more you go the day they make noise. You better let go find better work. Now time they every day now add the add by your age, you know they reduce, my brother. You know me full of brothers, so please Take it easy, yeah? Me too now, we too no more. This 2021, until me open and bar. So myself, I don't start out with you. Lord, they carry on. Thank you very much, everybody. May God bless you all. I wish you now all a very pleasant 2021.